So grew is to grown, of course, the past tense and the past participle. Then flew, which is a past tense. If you want to get the past participle, look at what a mathematician will do. Grew all over grown is equal to flew all over. The past participle we don't know, so we can represent it with y. Then cross multiply. Y will times this. Y is timesing grew equals flew with times grown. That is cross multiply. So to get your y, divide both sides by grew. Divide both sides by grew. So that grew will cancel grew. Here, G will cancel G. R will cancel R. E will cancel E. W will cancel W. So y is F L O W and N. Therefore, the past participle of flew is flown.